one of our product launches or project launches that we just did yesterday, working with a group of third grade teachers at one of our elementary schools, and they are doing a Define Learning inspired food truck frenzy. So they had 5 food trucks yesterday that came at different times, all throughout the day, and all of the owners were there and some of the chefs were there from these different companies, and they all kind of did these interviews. First they kind of talked about, like, this is what it's like owning a food truck, this is our struggles and things like that. You can see some this was Tots on the Street. Those of you who are from the Wisconsin area, you might know them because they're in Sundex, and they're also be at Pfizer next year, so they were super excited about their growth model for their business. We had Press Waffles who was there, so they brought their food truck right in the parking lot, and the kids were able to check that out. So I just grabbed like some, I hope this plays right. Yeah, so I just was having this in the background. So when I'm looking at like food truck entrepreneur in Define Learning, we're taking some of the rubrics out of there, and we're looking at some of those pieces of like, what questions could we ask an entrepreneur? How do they design their menu? How do they design their social media page? What really captures their learning? And it has rubrics already built in right here. So then the teachers are focusing on some of the other pieces than having to worry about how they're going to score them.